Today, I am reviewing Dell Inspiron 1650-645 FHD Plus Business Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a powerful, sleek, and versatile laptop for business, students, and creative professionals, the Dell Inspiron 165645 FHD Plus could be the perfect fit. This laptop combines performance, portability, and productivity features into a slim, modern design that's ideal for demanding workloads and multitasking. At the heart of this laptop is the AMD Ryzen 7-8840 processor, an 8-core powerhouse that can boost up to 5.1 GHz, delivering lightning-fast performance for everything from spreadsheets, presentations, and video conferencing to content creation and light gaming. Paired with 32 GB of high-bandwidth DDR5 RAM, this laptop handles multiple applications running simultaneously without slowing down, making lag and stutter a thing of the past. Storage is no compromise either. The 1TB PCIe SSD ensures that your files, applications, and media load almost instantly. This large capacity also means you can store your projects, documents, and entertainment library all in one place without worrying about running out of space. Combined with the ultra-fast PCIe interface, boot times are near instantaneous, and software launches happen in seconds. One of the standout features of the Dell Inspiron 16 is its 16-inch Full HD Plus microEdge IPS display. With a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, this display offers vibrant, accurate colors and sharp visuals, making it excellent for presentations, media editing, and immersive viewing experiences. The anti-glare coating reduces eye strain during long working hours, while the microEdge design maximizes screen real estate in a relatively compact chassis. For those who rely on video calls and online meetings, the laptop includes a 1080p webcam with noise reduction. This ensures crisp, clear video and enhanced audio clarity, making it ideal for remote work, online classes, and professional calls. Additionally, the backlit keyboard allows you to work comfortably in low-light environments, and the numeric keypad is a valuable addition for those who handle spreadsheets and calculations regularly. Connectivity and versatility are also a strong point. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, you get fast, stable wireless connections, while the variety of ports, including SD card slot, USB Type-A and Type-C, and HDMI 1.4, allows you to connect multiple devices, external displays, and peripherals with ease. Whether it's transferring files, giving presentations, or connecting to a larger monitor, this laptop has you covered. Despite its high-performance components, the Inspiron 16 remains remarkably slim and lightweight at just 4.7 pounds, making it portable enough for students, business professionals, and anyone on the go. Dell has also optimized this laptop for energy efficiency, providing impressive battery life that supports long work or study sessions without constantly reaching for a charger. Running Windows 11 Pro, this laptop combines security, efficiency, and ease of use. It's ready for business, creative projects, and entertainment alike. Whether you're handling large spreadsheets, editing videos, or streaming media, the Inspiron 16 offers a seamless and responsive experience. In summary, the Dell Inspiron 1650-645 FHD Plus Business Laptop is a powerhouse of performance, display quality, and productivity features. From its 8-core Ryzen 7 processor, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB SSD, to its vibrant 16-inch display, 1080p webcam, and long battery life, this laptop is designed to meet the needs of modern students, professionals, and creators. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performing, and stylish laptop, the Dell Inspiron 16 is definitely worth considering. Whether you're working from home, attending virtual classes, or tackling creative projects, this laptop is equipped to boost productivity, enhance your workflow, and make computing effortless and enjoyable.